Hello guys, this is Healthy Hacks. Today we are going to talk about the 7 healthy benefits of drinking alcohol. The last one is the important one, so stay up to the end of the video. Getting wasted every weekend might not be the best thing for your physical or mental well-being. But moderate alcohol consumption may have some sustainable healthy benefits. It should be noted that alcohol consumption and its benefit vary based on an individual's body makeup and type. Moderate alcohol consumption is defined as having up to 1 drink per day for women and up to 2 drinks per day for men. This definition is referring to the amount consumed on any single day and is not intended as an average over several days. Now, we have all heard the reasons why alcohol is bad for you. But what about the benefits? Here is our 7 ways that drinking alcohol in moderation might benefit your health. The School of Public Health at Harvard University found that moderate amount of alcohol raises level of higher density lipoprotein (HDL) or good cholesterol, and high HDL levels are associated with greater protection against heart diseases. Moderate alcohol consumption has also been linked with beneficial changes ranging from better sensitivity to insulin to improvements in factor that influence in blood clotting. This finding is applicable to both men and women. Drinking occasionally could add a few years to your life. Drinking less than 4 or 2 drinks per day for men and women could reduce the risk of death by 18%. The little amount during meals. This appears to be the right way to drink alcohol. Another author on the study. This is another feature of the Mediterranean diet, where alcohol, wine, above all is the ideal partner of a dinner or lunch. But that's all. The rest of the day must be absolutely alcohol free. The newer researchers found that moderate drinking might actually protect against erectile dysfunction in the same way that drinking red wine might benefit heart disease. Another study found that the chances of erectile dysfunction were reduced by 25 to 30% among alcohol drinkers. The new studies found that while susceptibility to the common cold was increased by smoking, moderate alcohol consumption led to a decrease in common cold cases for non-smokers. This study was conducted in 1993 with 391 adults. In 2002, according to the research, found that drinking 8 to 14 glasses of wine per week, particularly red wine, one could see a 60% reduction in the risk of developing a common cold. It is because of the antioxidant properties of wine. In a study that included more than 365,000 participants since 1977, as reported in the journal Neuropsychiatric Disease and Treatment, moderate drinkers were 23% less likely to develop cognitive impairment or Alzheimer's and other forms of dementia. Small amount of alcohol might in effect make brain cells more fit. Alcohol in moderate amounts stresses cells and give toughness to them, cope with the major stresses down the road that could cause dementia. As reported by the Science Daily, we don't recommend that non-drinkers start drinking, but moderate drinkers, if it is truly moderate, can be beneficial. Drinking 2 units of alcohol per day can reduce the risk of gallstones by 1/3. The benefits of moderate alcohol intake, but stresses that excessive alcohol intake can cause health problems according to the study. Study shows that healthy adults who drink 1 or 2 glasses per day have a decreased chance of developing type 2 diabetes in comparison to those who don't drink at all. The result of investigation shows that moderate alcohol consumption can play a part in a healthy lifestyle. I hope that you all love this video and this video is very helpful to you. Then comment the feedback in the comment section about if this video helps you to understand the benefits of moderate alcohol drinking.